Hello everyone, my name is Adonai and today I am going to talk about something amazing, something we can't not see but it keeps us alive every single second. I am talking about the inner parts of the human body, yes, the things as the work hard very when we are sleeping, setting being. The first one is the brain. Brain now for the boss of the body. It tell you when to move, when to think, to laugh, even when to bring with out the bring. The body is like a phone without charge, and the second one is heart. It is the hard work pump found on the left side of your chest and of your chest. I pump blood all around your body every second of every year. If the brain in the both the heart is the engine of the both side of your chest. We have two lungs. When you run, your lungs work fast. When you clean, your lungs work slowly. So the lungs are super important. Now let's talk about stomach, the food maker located in your tummy. It brings food into tiny pieces. After the stomach is finished in its job, the food goes to intestine. There are two small and larger intestines. The small talk nerves, the longer on remove the waste. Your boss give your body shape and project origin. You with you out your bones, you would be like jelly. The skin is the body's shield, so skin is like your natural armor. Thanks for listening.